me. God have mercy upon us.
Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use either land or portrait mode. After that, you walk into the scene. Look at me there. What you need to do here is just to demonstrate. All you need to demonstrate, you can see I folded my hand. You stay there for a few seconds, can decide to do another thing. I spread my hand again. Then after that, for a few seconds again, you decide to do another thing. This is what you need to just do. Then after doing the whole thing, you can now just walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, click on CapCut, new project. You want to import your background to workspace. All right, so you are going to be clicking it to go and look for duplicate. We want to duplicate it to as long as we want our video to last. So you duplicate it. After duplicating it, you come back, you mark on this arrow and click on add overlay. Locate your video. Now you import your video to workspace. Click on volume and reduce it to 0. Mark on this group. Then you go back. Then you want to locate where you want this video to start from. From here you click and make a split. All right, then you delete this first part and click this one and drag it to the beginning of the video. All right, then you want to click it, expand it a little bit. Then you go and locate where you want the video to end. All right, from here click and make a split. Now delete this last part. Then you want to click on the background and split and delete as well. Then you want to trim them to be equal to each other. Trim the video, the background, everything to be equal to each other. After trimming, you come back now. You want to click it now, guys. Go and look for remove BG. Okay, locate remove BG. Click on remove BG, auto removal. Then you can allow it to remove completely. As you can see, that is applying. Okay, but guys, at this point, you want to air your view about this video you just watched. Okay, and tell us what magic tricks you would like us to create next. Drop them at the comment section. You might be lucky we pick yours. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. All right, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Smash your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. Welcome back to this tutorial. He has removed completely. You mark on that good and go back. So at this point, what we are going to be doing is to position our image the way we want it to be. Then you locate this place and here. Before you fold your hands, click here and make a split. All right, so the next thing now we are going to be doing is to click here and add keyframe. Add keyframe there. Then as you add keyframe, you go and look for transform. Locate transform, guys. Go and look for transform. Okay, transform, where are you? Where is this transform? Click on transform now. Then you adjust this video. So you adjust it, you use rotate to rotate this character. Rotate the character to as many that as you want. After rotating it, you are going to be cropping it. But watch what I am doing. Rotate it to as many as you want. Then you cropple it a bit. Cropple it. After cropping it, you adjust the video again. You use rotate to still rotate this character. After rotating him, you still do what? You still cropple him a bit. All right, you adjust again, rotate him to as many as you want to rotate him. After rotating the character, you are still going to be cropping the character a little bit. Just follow what I am doing. So you rotate, do it like this until you don't see this character again. When you rotate, you cropple, you adjust your video. Remember to always adjust your video. You rotate again. After rotating, you still cropple. Follow what I am doing so that you will get the same result. Okay, so this is the point of dragging the character into the sky. All right, you rotate, you crop it, so you are putting the character into the sky. After the whole thing, now you adjust the video a little bit and click and add another keyframe here. As you add another keyframe here, you still adjust, then you review this character again. You want to the wind to blow him out. So when you reveal him again, you still go and look for that transform for the second time. Still look for the transform. Where are you? Where is this transform? Click on this transform. You still rotate this character, still rotate him. You are bringing him out, rotate him, then you adjust the video. You still rotate him again. After rotating, you still expound and reveal him the more. All right, this is what you will keep doing here as well until you finish revealing him to the size you want him to be. All right, when you rotate, after rotating, you reveal. All right, this part is the part you want to reveal him back. That is when the wind carried him or the air blew him into the sky, he blew him out. So that is what we are going to be doing here. You adjust, you still rotate. After rotating, then you are still going to expound and position him the way you want him to be. If you want him to face down or face up, you do it. I decided to make my own face down. After that, we are going to go and play it to see what we have got. All right, play it before we add every other thing. Let us see what we have just got. Play it for some time. All right, you can see what we have got. The wind or the air is blowing him into the sky now. After we have gotten this, the next thing we are going to be doing is to come back to this splitted point here. Then you click on this arrow and click on add overlay. You want to bring in this your wind or this your then you look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, chroma key, you drag it, you mark on this good and go back, still click it and look for adjust. Click on adjust, guys. Locate HSL, click on HSL, mark on that green, drag it to 0, mark on this good, then you go back. All right, so look at it now. So when he gets here, the wind or the air is blowing him now into the sky. All right, then after this part, you allow it to play for some time. So you allow it to play for some time. All right, look at this green screen is too short. You are going to click it now. We are going to be duplicating this part. So you locate duplicate and duplicate this part. Then after that, the coming out part, we click on add overlay and add this our smoke effect. You click on splice and click on filter, mark on this good and go back. Then you can click and adjust it and position it. You still click on splice and reduce the texture, mark on this good now. Then you are going to be going back. You want to add keyframe to it again. Add keyframe, then you adjust it. When the character is coming out, you are expounding the smoke so that the smoke will come out with the character. All right, look at what I am doing. Okay, you do your own to look good. After this, now this video is ready. We are going to be playing it from the beginning. So everything about this video is ready now. Okay, remember to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. After adding them now, you can export your video to your gallery. But if you don't know how to add your sound and every other effect, my number is at the description of this video. You just go and DM me, then I am going to put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after the whole thing, then you export your video to your gallery. Okay, so the next thing we are going to be doing now is to click on export and allow this video to export to a gallery. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. But guys, tell us your opinion about the whole video you have just watched, and tell us what magic tricks you would like us to create next. Drop them at the comment section. All right, like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Okay, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Then you go and locate and smash your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.